Hi, my name is Michelle Young, and today I'm going to teach you how to get into Bakasana, crow pose. Crow pose is a transition between headstand and handstand, and it's an excellent posture to integrate into your personal practice if you're looking to bring in arm balances and inversions. Today, we're going to start on our back. The back is a great place to start. It allows anyone in your class to experience the mechanisms of Bakasana. It is super accessible and the best way to introduce students who might be new to arm balances to this posture. From a reclined position, I'm going to bring my knees in towards my chest. I have to have a really deep pelvic flexion to get into this particular posture. I'm going to lift my shoulders off the ground, flex my toes back towards my shins, and take my peace fingers around my big toes. Now, I'm going to bring my knees into my armpits and squeeze my feet together. From here, I'm going to rotate my elbows forward and press my hands back as if I am pressing into the ceiling. This is the mechanism of Bakasana and zero gravity. Now, let's stand up and see what it looks like in gravity. From here, I bring my big toes together to touch. I want to bend my knees generously as I fold forward and place my hands on the ground. From here, I'm going to send my weight forward into my toes and lift my heels while I crouch down. I'll bend my elbows back and place my knees into my armpits, just like I did on my back. As I shift forward, I want to look forward as well. Maybe one foot will lift, maybe both, but this is the traditional shape. Once I finish the posture, I can come into a ragdoll. Let my head hang as I grab opposite elbows, releasing any tension in the shoulders or the upper back. As you can see, Bakasana is an advanced posture, but it's accessible to everyone if you modify it and approach it from a different perspective.